Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with the brilliant 1.25 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 54 miles per gallon. An insurance group of 7, so ideal for new drivers, and road tax is just £35 a year. The mileage is just over 41,000 miles and the car comes with full service history. This particular colour is called Frozen White and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we look inside, you've got the really supportive seats there in great condition, as you can see. There's a couple of cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, the first owner chose the DAB radio as a factory option, so you've got all the extra radio stations, and this car also has air conditioning as well as Ford's quick clear front windscreen, so that's nice on a winter's morning. On the driver's door card, you've got your switches for your electric mirrors and your 2 front windows. And as we open the rear doors, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for a small hatchback. And also the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts as well. And then opening the tailgate, you have a good sized boot there, nice and deep, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have a bit of extra storage as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with the 15-inch alloy wheels as well. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance for just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.